Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy 2-ingredient tea, lemongrass and cinnamon tea. It is the perfect way to use up fresh lemongrass that I grow in my garden, and the cinnamon gives the tea a natural sweetness so you don't even need sugar or honey. This is the perfect tea to warm up, and it makes the whole house smell like fall. I like to start this tea by going out into the garden and harvesting fresh lemongrass leaves. If you'd like to learn more about how to grow lemongrass at home, check out my gardening YouTube channel called Jerra's Garden, and I'll link it below in the description. For this recipe, you'll only need the green leafy portion of the lemongrass, not the tough stalks. Just a handful is enough to make a pot of tea. Next, boil some water in a small pot, add a bunch of lemongrass leaves, and 1 or 2 sticks of cinnamon. Let everything boil together for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you want the flavor. After that, pour it into your favorite teacup or mug, sit back, and enjoy. And that's it. Super simple and so delicious. If you give this lemongrass and cinnamon tea a try, let me know in the comments how you liked it. I'd also love to hear what other ingredients you enjoy pairing with lemongrass when making tea. Share your favorite flavor combinations below in the comments. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more garden to table recipes. Enjoy.